New Gemini CLI update is insane. Google just dropped a massive update to Gemini CLI, and honestly, this thing is wild. Imagine typing one sentence into your terminal and your entire app gets built automatically. No clicking around, no IDE, no Stack Overflow rabbit holes, just you, your terminal, and an AI that actually does the work. This new update makes it even more powerful. We're talking tab, autocomplete, plan mode, progress bars, desktop notifications. The whole thing got upgraded, and I'm going to show you exactly what changed, what it can do, and how I'm using it right now to automate real work for the AI Profit Boardroom. Because here's the thing, this isn't just a cool developer toy, this is a business tool, a productivity weapon. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to see something that makes you rethink how you work. Let's get into it. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Today, we're breaking down the brand new Gemini CLI update, version 0.32.1, and I promise you, this is not a boring changelog video. This update actually changes how you can use AI to get real work done fast. What is Gemini CLI? Let's start from the top, because if you haven't used Gemini CLI before, you need to know what it is before we get into what's new. Gemini CLI is Google's open source AI agent, but it doesn't live in a browser or a chat window. It lives in your terminal. You open your terminal, you type in plain English, and the AI does the work for you. We're not talking about answering questions. We're talking about actually building things, writing code, running commands, installing files, fixing errors, deploying apps, the whole thing. It works on a reason and act loop, meaning it doesn't just respond, it thinks, plans, decides which tools to use, and then executes, step by step, on its own. And it connects to MCP servers, that's Model Context Protocol, which means it can plug into external tools like GitHub, Google Cloud, Docker, and more. So instead of jumping between 10 different tools, you just talk to the terminal, and it handles everything. To get started, all you do is run this one command, npx of Google Gemini CLI. That's it, you're in. And now with this new update, it's better than ever. Let's break down what actually changed. Number one, tab autocomplete in shell mode. This is a small change with a big impact. Before you had to type every command out in full. Now you just hit tab and it finishes for you. Like you type git check, hit tab, and it becomes git checkout. It works for commands, file paths, and tools. This sounds simple, but when you're running a fast workflow, this speeds everything up. It makes the whole thing feel like a real pro developer environment, not a clunky AI tool. Number two, macOS desktop notifications. You ever kick off a big AI task and then just sit there staring at the screen? Not anymore. Now, Gemini CLI sends you a desktop notification when it's done. You just go to settings, type on settings, turn it on, and that's it. Run a big task, go do something else, come back when it's finished. This is huge for long workflows, especially when you're running multiple tasks at once. Number three, Plan Mode got a massive upgrade. This is the one I'm most excited about. Plan Mode is like putting the AI into architect mode. Before it touches a single file, it stops. It reads the whole project. It thinks through the solution, then it outputs a clear step-by-step plan of exactly what it's going to do, and you can review it, edit it, approve it, then it executes. No surprises, no random broken code. In this new update, Plan Mode is way more polished. It handles complex multi-step tasks way better. And you can even edit the plan externally before giving the green light. You turn it on with Plan or by adding it to your config file. This is a game changer for anyone running serious automations. Number four, MCP tools now show progress bars. When Gemini runs external tools through MCP, you now see a live progress bar, like 20%. You can see exactly what's happening at every step. Before this, it could feel like the AI was just doing something mysterious in the background. Now you get full transparency. You can see where things are at, catch issues early, and debug way faster. Number five, smarter agent planning system. The whole planning brain got an upgrade. It now handles more complex tasks without breaking. It can edit plans mid-execution. It can manage longer multi-step workflows. This is pushing Gemini CLI closer to being a fully autonomous agent, not just a tool that helps you code, but one that can take on an entire workflow and see it through from start to finish. Quick pause, because if you're watching this and thinking, okay, this is cool, but how do I actually use this for my business? That's exactly what we cover inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's our private community where we break down how to use AI automation tools like Gemini CLI to do real work. Content, systems, outreach, workflows, all of it. We show you exactly how to set things up so you can move faster and get more done without burning yourself out doing everything manually. If you want to use AI to actually grow your business, not just play with tools, the AI Profit Boardroom is the place. Link is in the description. Come check it out. Now back to the video. Let me be real with you about what this actually means. The old way of working looked like this. You get stuck, you Google it, you land on a Stack Overflow answer from 2018 that kind of applies, but not really. You try it, something breaks, you Google again. An hour later, you're still going in circles. The new way looks like this. You type what you need in plain English. The AI plans the solution. It executes. If something breaks, it fixes it automatically and tries again. You just review the output. The shift isn't just about speed. It's about where the thinking happens. Before, you had to carry every step in your head. Now the agent carries it. You just steer. And that's a huge deal because it means you can work on bigger things, more complex things, things that used to require a whole team. Gemini CLI is free, it's open source, it works with Google's most powerful models, and it's getting better every single update. The MCP ecosystem makes it connect to almost anything. Your own tools, third-party APIs, dev infrastructure, whatever you need. Here's something worth thinking about. We're moving from AI assistants to AI agents. An assistant answers your questions, an agent takes actions. Gemini CLI is an agent, Claude Code is an agent. These tools don't just chat. They build, deploy, fix, and execute. And the gap between people using agents and people not using them, that gap is only going to get bigger. The people who figure out how to point these tools at real work, real workflows, real systems, are going to operate at a completely different level. This isn't about replacing developers. It's about giving everyone, founders, marketers, operators, the ability to build and automate things they never could before. Never. The question isn't whether this matters. It clearly does. The question is whether you're going to get ahead of it or play catch up later. All right, if this video gave you value, here's what to do next. First, if you want to use AI automation tools like Gemini CLI to actually grow your business, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. It's our private community where we go deep on AI workflows, systems, and automation strategies that get real results, not theory, practical stuff you can use. Link is in the description. Second, if you want something completely free to start with right now, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community with over 40,000 members who are all figuring this stuff out together. You'll get all the notes from this video, 100 plus AI use cases, SOPs, templates, and access to a community of people who are actually using AI in their businesses every day. Links are in the comments and the description. Go grab it. It costs nothing. Costs. And drop a comment below. Tell me, what's the first thing you're going to build with Gemini CLI? Julian reads every single comment. See you in the next one.